The man put on his diving suit and jumped into the ocean. After diving 1,500 meters, he entered the habitat of humpback whales. At that moment, the whales were asleep. Their bodies were hanging upside down in the water. Jack carefully approached one of the whales. He attached a small video recorder to its body. Right then, the whole group of whales suddenly woke up. They made loud sounds. They kept moving their bodies and swam toward the surface. Jack instantly realized how dangerous this was. If any whale bumped into him, he could lose his life. Jack quickly dropped the weights on his belt. He swam up as fast as he could along with the whales. Luckily, the whales didn't notice him. In the end, Jack made it back to the yacht safely. Soon he received the signal from the recorder. Jack took the footage back to the lab to study. At first, the whales' movements looked totally normal, but when they reached a certain area, the whole group suddenly dove down. They quickly passed 5,000 meters. This was a depth whales had never reached before. Their strange behavior caught the attention of scientists. As the whales kept diving, scientists found that they went as deep as 15,000 meters. That was far beyond the deepest point humans had ever explored. Down in the pitch-black ocean, small lights started to appear. The lights lined up neatly. From a distance, they looked like traces of a human city. Sadly, the recorder only captured this part before the whale shook it off. But this strange sight sparked heated discussion among scientists. Some believed it might be a secret military experiment. After all, the military sometimes trains sea creatures to clear mines. But Jack didn't think so. Recently, too many strange things had been happening in the ocean. Whales that usually lived peacefully with humans suddenly started attacking people. A humpback whale even sank a sightseeing boat. Soon after, killer whales began hunting humans. That attack killed more than 100 people, and sea creatures kept invading human areas. One small town was taken over by crabs. A port was filled with swarms of jellyfish. Even marine animals themselves began to mutate. A chef was butchering a lobster when some unknown liquid sprayed from inside it. That liquid spread a mysterious virus through the city. So far, dozens of people had died from it. That's why Jack didn't believe it was the military. The army wouldn't risk the lives of their own civilians. Jack decided to keep investigating. Then the marine lab made a new discovery. They found a new type of shellfish on a Japanese cruise ship. This shellfish reproduced very fast. It also carried a strange white substance. That reminded Jack of a whale he had just dissected. That whale had gone crazy and attacked a fishing boat. Fishermen killed it together. When Jack cut open the whale's body, he found the same white substance in its brain. From this, Jack guessed that the white substance was affecting sea creatures. It was making them violent and bloodthirsty. Thinking back to the lights deep in the ocean, Jack had a wild idea. He believed there was an ancient civilization under the sea, and it was striking back against humans for polluting the ocean.